Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with a dope video on showing you how you can go ahead and get started on your invitation to Merch by Amazon. I'm going to give you guys some tips to get accepted to the platform, and then depending on how long this video is, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and upload your first design on all of the products. All right, so let's jump into the video. If you are new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. All right, so this is the Merch by Amazon platform. I have signed in as a new account. Now you're seeing this screen will not be the first screen that you see. Once you sign up, you do have to go through the W-9 and tax interview phase. I did not want to show that because of course all of the tax stuff provides a lot of personal information. So you're going to need either your social security number or your tax ID number. If you do have a business, you're going to need your bank account number. You're going to need your mailing address and information. All of that are things that will go in that very first screen once you sign up on the Merch by Amazon website to make sure you get paid. Okay. So after you do that, you are going to reach the screen where it says request invitation form. All right. So the first thing you're going to see is industry site. So I am a t-shirt business, but you may not be a t-shirt business. And they have this box for other. They have this box for small business, brands, bands, artists, magazines, school, charity, app developer, etc. So if you fall in the other category, then type that. If you're just a small business and you're trying to, make extra income, jumping in here, do that. I have a novelty t-shirt brand. Okay. So here for the organization, if you don't have a name yet, use your name. It could be, Cinquanta Cox-Smith Company. And this does not count against you in your quest to get an invitation. So today I'm just going to use one of my store brands that I created on print on demand called Georgetown on 'em, which I created with a friend of mine for our community. So I'm just going to put that in there. So the next thing says additional information. Please tell us more about yourself, including your design background and what types of designs you plan to create on merch. So I would say I am a, let's see, advanced t-shirt designer who owns a few print on demand brands. I would like to sign up for Merch by Amazon to reach more customers and build brand awareness. Okay, so something like that. That's my intention. That's what I am. I'm a advanced t-shirt designer who already owns some print on demand websites, and I'm signing up for merch because I want to reach more customers and build a bigger brand. So here, a website. Now it says optional, but a good friend of mine that I met recently on Clubhouse named Nick Eden, he says, make sure you fill this all the way out. And I want to show you a tip that he has given for anyone who may really just be started and who does not have a website. So he recommended that you would go ahead and start a Teespring shop. So I have a few. They're not super active, but I do have a few. So I have not put anything in my Coins and Connection because you really do have to drive sales to your Teespring store. So this is also the Teespring store that I had for a few years with a friend, and I do have about 25 different products on here. But then I also have one that has 3 products on here. So what you would do is just take your Teespring store. Once you set it up, I will link a video under this video where I show you guys how to set up your own Teespring store and set up your first couple of products. So I would say maybe do 5 different products on that Teespring store, and then you can have something to show. So then that's kind of like your website right there. You're going to go ahead and put in, of course, the characters, and then you're going to send the request. Now on this page, I'm not going to send those requests because I already have a Merch by Amazon account and I do not want to do anything to mess that up. So I'm going to pause this video real quick and I'm going to sign into my actual Merch by Amazon account. I'm going to pull up Canva and I'm going to show you guys how I do quick designs and how you can upload yours as well to Merch by Amazon to get started. All right, y'all. So this is a part of my back office. As you can tell, it says I have available submissions today, 50. And this is what it looks like once you get approved. When you log in, this is exactly what you will see. Yours will probably say 1. It'll probably say 0, and it'll probably say 10 right here. Okay, so don't be alarmed. My numbers look different because I've been doing this for a little while. This is just showing the last 7 days what I made here. I do not normally upload in these 3 countries, but that's fine. Eventually I'll get there. So right here, you can see this. I uploaded one of my designs and it was rejected. So that does happen. And the status of most of your stuff will be here. And it could just been because of a certain word that it was rejected. I don't know exactly. Once it's rejected, I do not normally try to re-upload it. Here, you'll just find messages from Amazon merch as well. And to first upload your first product, there are about 4 different design sizes. So I'm going to show you guys that. But the first thing you do is go ahead and hit create. So you will see all of the products here, and you see some are like shaded, and then some you can definitely see. They do have tote bags and throw pillows. So what I normally do is I go up here. I'm showing you guys the manual way. There's so many software and things now that can help you upload, but we're going to go and back to the handy dandy old school way so you guys know how to do it without a machine if those machines don't work one day. So what I'm doing is I'm unchecking all of the other countries that I do not sell in. That just went away. So I'm deselecting them. I'm keeping the standard shirt. I'm probably going to do a V-neck. I sometimes do Wrangling. Sometimes I don't. For this particular one, I think I'll do the raglan shirt. And I'm going to do a pullover hoodie. I don't normally do the zip hoodies, so I'm going to leave that blank, and pop socket. So those are all the ones, the cases, tote bag, and throw pillow. So those are the ones that I'm going to do. I do need to go back and do my pop socket color. So now you'll see that this is shaded. I really don't upload on premium designs because they often get returned. So for your first design, I have them all right here, and I have it by just merch. So that's the normal size, which I should have showed you guys. Let me go to edit details so you can see. So when you go to upload, let me delete the design. So it tells you what size it is. So I have it here on my thing, what size that is. So you upload 4500 by 5400 pixel. And that design will go on a few of these products. So you'll see in a second. It'll go on the standard shirt. It'll go on the premium shirt, V-neck, tank top. It'll go on the long sleeve Wrangling sweatshirt, and that's it. So it'll go on all of those products. Now, mind you, my design is black, so I do not want a black shirt, right? So let me unselect that. I have white, I have gray. See, I'm gonna go down here to the heather blue. Maybe not. The dark gray is really good for this. Probably not gonna do the red. And I think those are the colors that look best with that. So I normally do my t-shirts at $25.99. But if you're new, you can do it. You can start at 16. You can start at 15. You can start at the minimum to make your first sale. Let me see. You probably can even go. Oh, so you can go as low as 13 now. Let's see. Maybe 12. No. So you can go as low as $13 to make your first sale. You'll make 70 cents. And once that shirt sells, you go back in there and raise the price. So this is like the rhyme or reason with things that people do. When you start, you know, just grab, get at the lowest price, get in at the lowest price, and then lift it up $1 every time it sells. So I'm going to go through all of these and take the color black off because it doesn't look good on these products. For my V-necks, I normally do $26. Again, that is me. You can price yours at whatever you want. This is not a design that I'm going to put this design up, but this is not something that's like a normal design for me. So, but I'm just going to put it up just because. So we're going to edit the tank top. I'm going to take the black off. We have the dark gray, this gray, and we have white. I'm going to leave that at $27. Got the long sleeve tee. I'm gonna take the black off. I have navy, royal blue. I'm just leave it at heather and dark heather. Gonna leave that at $28. We have the Raglan. Well, I can't say that. I really like this one, so I'm gonna leave that as that. And I'm probably gonna do this one at $26. So you make $6 off of that shirt. You have your sweatshirt. I normally leave it at $35. Not gonna do the black. And then now for my hoodie. So let me show you guys that the size is different for the hoodies. So here I click on edit details. It's 4500 by 4050. So now you need that size. So I have my merch hoodie here. Now I have that color. I'm going to take it off the black and put it on the dark gray and the light gray. For that, I normally do $37.99. Again, I've been doing this for a while, so I know. And then if you want to do the zip hoodie, you can. I normally don't. Here for the phone cases, both of them are the same size, which is 1800 by 3200. And I have that here. I know definitely for the Samsung, you need to have it a little bit lower because of the different sizes on the camera. And you'll see that once I put it up there. But it's the same size as the iPhone case. But because of where the camera is, it just, some of the spaces are like, let me see if it does it. If I have any. I probably have it low enough. Yeah. So you see how close that is? So like it's like right there at the tip of that. So I normally keep the pop sockets and cell phone cases at the same size. They do have tote bags. I did a tote bag one here. I'm trying to think if the tote bag normally goes on the throw pillow too. Or I need to go back and see what size that was. So I can tell y'all 29 by 25. So that's for the tote bag, 29 by 25. And because I'm not sure what they can sell at, I can also move that design down so it's not as close. I'm going to leave this as that. Let me check and see what the size is for the throw pillow. It's the same as the tote bag. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there on the throw pillar. And again, I can definitely move that design down. You see how far it is up there? I can definitely move that down some so it looks better on the design. And I'll do that right now just so I can show you guys. And then I'm going to resize this for the size of the pop socket. I'm going to show you guys the pop socket is 485 by 485. So I'm going to do this in white, and I'm going to do the background for the pop socket black. And I'm going to change the size here in Canva to 485 by 485. And then I'm just going to resize it. And then I'm going to download that. Even though it says tote bag, I know which one it will be. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this, because it'll say tote bag 2 with the black background. So now you have your I love me, and you can actually make that smaller. So let's make that smaller, because you kind of want to get these designs kind of right in the middle. So I'm going to download that again, and then we're going to re-upload that. So you guys can see, like, and when you do it like that, it's just super simple how that is in the middle. Now let's re-upload these tote bags, the original one here. So now you see that the heart will come down some. See how it came down a little bit from the very top? And then that one scoot down. So that looks so much better. So I have I love me on all of these products here. Now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and this is where you put in your information. Okay, so you're going to put I love me, self-love, and self-care. So you can't put things like, you cannot put things like t-shirt in there. They don't allow it. So that is something you can't put in there. So in this brand, it's going to be I love me apparel or something like that. And then we're going to put bullets in there like loving myself, self-care performance, self-care in every day, maybe mental health, awareness, me time, I love myself. So things like that. You can put a product description, beautiful apparel to make me feel great on the outside as well as the inside. So that's just something that you can do there. So this is just an example. I did not do any research for this one, so I don't have any keywords and anything. So I kind of made this up as I go, but that just gives you a good idea of how you can go ahead and put your bullets in. And these will show up on your description here, just exactly how you type it in your product description as well. So now then after you're done with that, you're just going to hit publish. So I am going to submit this because I did take my time and I created the shirt. Whether it sells or not is up to if people want to buy that shirt. Okay, so after you're done, you'll just go back to your dashboard and you'll see that that shirt is under review. And once it is, you know, in review, so it'll say pending publishing or something like that. And then when it's live, it'll be live and you can actually click on it and you can actually go to your shirt on Amazon. When it sells, you'll be able to see it while looking in the analyze and manage your background. So I hope this was helpful to let you guys know how you can go ahead and set up your Merch by Amazon account, how you can create an easy, simple design right here in Canva. I did this in Canva. And then I showed you guys how to upload your first product on Merch by Amazon. So I hope this is helpful and help you to kind of just get started. All right. So again, this is Cinquanta Cox-Smith signing off. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.